Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of April 27th through May 3rd. Crazy that it's already May, but here we are. So this week is my anniversary week. Our anniversary is on the 28th, so I wanted to do a kit that went with that. Last year we went to Florida for our anniversary, so I thought this kit was really reminiscent of what it looked like while we were there. And it gives me, like beachy vibes that I get to enjoy while we're stuck at home. This is the White Summer Daze kit by Planner One Love. It's 2-page. This is the old format. She also has a new format that you can download that's more friendly for using like a silhouette or whatever. Alright, so not too much planned for this week, but I think it's going to be a good week. I'm going to start out by putting down the bottom washi. I'm going to use both strips and kind of space them out down here, put them in this order just like this. And then I'm going to put the headers, I'm going to put the today at the top and the to do at the bottom, and then the blank ones through the middle for my full boxes. And then while I'm at it, I'm just going to put down these full box checklists. Let me see. So I feel like those two go together, those two go together. I think I'm going to put this one in the middle and those two on Wednesday and Friday. They don't quite match, but they kind of go together. Anyway, so I'm going to do all those things, probably put that on the weekend banner too, and then I will be right back with you guys. There we go. So it turns out these two I think are maybe the only ones that match each other. All of these are different, but whatever. Okay, so full box time. So I want to use this one for just like whatever kind of thing comes up. And I think I'm going to save this one because it's like very versatile, and if I need to I could write on it. So I'm going to use the other 8 full boxes. I think I'm going to use this one as my quote box. I don't really know why. There we go. So I'm just going to kind of divide them up as we go. So the crab and this like sunset both need to go on this page, because then they kind of like, this is like so not straight. There, that's a little better. Because they kind of both like would look into the page then. I feel like that's important. And then the birds me to go on this page because they kind of like lean into the page. I think I'm gonna put them here. So the two like animal ones kind of go together. Okay. Then this one, I feel like should go on Saturday because I don't want the birds on the same page, right? I've definitely done a better job cutting these out in some previous weeks, but it is what it is. There we go. All right. I'm gonna put this one on Monday because I feel like it kind of goes inward too. So that leaves the coffee. And the sand. I think I'm going to do it this way. Alright, there are the full boxes. I'm loving how this turned out. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to try to do this no white space, but I don't know if it's going to work out, so we'll see. Okay, so to start out the sidebar, I'm going to use the This Week header. There's some of my scrippy scraps. Alright, start out with the This Week header. Followed by my habit trackers. So I'm going to track reading with one, and we'll see. I'm going to hold on to this. I also want to fit this hydration guy and the hydrate header. And I want to fit this weekly box. And above the weekly box, I am going to use one of these headers that says to cook. Realistically, my hubby does mostly cooking, but whatever. Okay, so I'm just going to start way at the very bottom to try to fit everything in. Definitely does not all fit. So I have an extra habit tracker. I'm just going to leave it out. That'll be fine. And then to fill in this gap, I have this really skinny washi. I think it's from Amazon. I'm just going to put that in right there. And it fills in the little gap. Okay. So there we go. Sidebar is done. Let's start with day by day. So on Monday, I'm going to use this full box. I had one main focus for most of the day. That is going to go in there. And then at the very top, I'm going to take one of these little things. And I'm just going to tuck it right under the today header. And that's for the start of Romanceopoly-a-thon. So I think I have plenty of space to write everything else in there. Tuesday. So the main thing on Tuesday is that's my anniversary. I don't know which one of these boxes I want to use. I think I'm going to use this one. I feel like that's slightly shifted. I have undo, but I'm like, no, it'll be fine. Okay. So I pulled 4 different sticker books to try to find what I wanted to use to mark this, because I'm going without like anything, no foil. And the thing I finally settled on was this cupcake. This is from a Happy Planner book. And I'm just gonna put this cupcake right here. I know it's a little bit pink, but I think with like the sunset and everything, it'll blend right in and be fine. So that's that. I think that's all I'm gonna fill in there. Wednesday, I'm gonna use one of these smaller boxes. Oh, I'm gonna use this guy, I think. So this one has a laptop. I have an interview. It's gonna be a review interview, obviously. That's all we can do right now. So I'm gonna use that. And then I know it's not a phone interview, but I have like this little phone icon that I feel like is very appropriate. So there we go. And then the other thing I want to mark on Wednesday, I'm going to use one of the TV little things, is the Max Singer. It's one of the few shows not the only show, we super reliably watch the day it airs. Alright, so that's that. Thursday, nothing scheduled right now. Friday, nothing scheduled right now. Saturday, nothing scheduled right now. That brings us to Sunday. That is the end of Romanceopoly-a-thon. So I'm just going to take another little thing. I'm just going to cut it. And mark up here. That's the end. Alright, I think that's everything I have scheduled right now. So I've left all of this stuff up here. I think the colors are going to turn out okay once everything's filled in. If it turns out to bother me during the week, I will just cover it up with a regular pen or something. Alright, gonna fill in with this iHow 0.38 that I've been using every week for the last quite a while. Alright, I think that is everything for now. So stick around for a second and you can see the finished week. Alright, here's the finished weekly. I love how it turned out. It's very calm and nice. I like it. Just going through everything, if I don't mention it, it came from the kit, which is from Planner One Love. I have a ton of leftovers still, all of this stuff, plus all of this, so I'll just put those in my leftovers for later. Stuff not in the kit, this skinny washi is from Amazon. This is from Happy Planner. This is in my leftovers. I can't remember who it's from. This is from Piper Paper Company. This is Creative Cavern Studio. She's about to become, I think it's called Digital Dog, as a printable shop. So yeah, I think everything else comes from the kit. As always, please like and subscribe below. I would really appreciate it. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see finished spreads, in progress spreads. I tag all the shops, etc. And see you guys next time. Bye!